Welcome to Electronic Guidance Control. Eltrex 4, manufacturer of the walker, enables pet owners to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of humane animal training. The walker is a revolutionary training device, providing the transition needed from on-leash to off-leash control. The walker builds an improved communication link between you and your pet, a way for better understanding of what is expected and how to achieve success. The walker will create a new standard in how you train your dog. For demonstration purposes, we've equipped the walker with a signal light to illustrate the on and off positions. When pressure is applied to the stimulator, a preconditioned electronic pulse is followed by continuous stimulation. Before the walker, you had to resort to a variety of tools, such as choke collars, slip collars, and spike collars. Each one of these devices requires you to use your own physical force to maneuver the dog into the appropriate action. Using your own strength to motivate a dog into position may cause panic or overreaction. The subtle reinforcement of the walker creates an environment where the dog teaches himself through guidance training from a completely different motivator. You will become his coach rather than his adversary. Let's go over the features of the walker. Power is supplied by a 3-volt lithium battery. Remove the plastic sleeve before installation. Using a coin, turn the battery cap 1/4 inch to the left or counterclockwise. Place the battery into the stimulator using the guide molded into the walker housing. Let's set the level. Each dog should experience stimulation at the lowest level for at least the first training period. Let's call this the learning position. It's little more than a tickle. Try it. Place your finger on both metal electrodes and apply pressure to the bottom of the stimulator. Changing the setting to medium or a motivational mode will be needed for reinforcement training. The high setting should be used only for training situations where high distraction causes extreme control problems. For proper operation, the stimulator and the D-ring should be positioned opposite each other when the collar strap is attached to the dog. The walker can be used effectively on any dog over 8 pounds. Don't fight your dog with physical restraints. With the walker, your dog learns to change his behavior without being disruptive. Jim Swan has been a professional dog trainer for over 32 years, training field trial retrievers, hunting dogs, and general obedience. Here's what he has to say.
The walker has filled the gap by providing a training tool that is kind while allowing the dog to learn the best behavior through guidance. The walker works simply by pulling on the leash. Let me demonstrate. Collar on, collar off. Collar on, collar off. This allows us to teach a number of basic commands. Here, sit. Sit. Here, sit. Here, heel. Heel, 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 sit. Here, sit. The common problem is a dog surging on a chain or a tie-out stake. This can be easily solved with the walker. Other training drills become easy with the walker. Let's train this dog to kennel on command. We will attach 2 ropes to the collar, threading one through the back of the kennel. When I give the command kennel, my assistant will apply pressure, pulling the dog into the crate. Once the dog enters the crate, pressure is released, creating a safe zone for the dog. Then I give a here command and pull on my rope to bring the dog out of the crate. By responding to the command, the dog learns to avoid the stimulation. After a few sessions, the dog will enter the kennel on command without any guidance. Kennel. That's it. Here. Heel. When working multiple dogs, a common holding area is often accomplished by using tie-out chains, which we call a chain gang. A disruptive dog can cause anxiety in all the dogs on a chain gang. The walker solves that problem. High distraction events can also be addressed with the walker. Let's demonstrate that by steadying a young retriever. Place the walker on the dog. Attach the leash to the tie-out stake. Give the command set. Throw the bumper. When the dog puts pressure against the lead, the stimulation reinforces the sit command. After a few sessions, the dog becomes steady. If I'd have had the walker 30 years ago, I could have trained many dogs in half the time and probably had better trained dogs.
Don't fight your dog with physical restraints. Large dogs can sometimes be overpowering, dragging you to the ground or even into traffic. Your dog learns the correct behavior calmly and gently, creating a happier, safer, and more productive relationship between you and your dog.
Hi, I'm Chad James. We at Eltrex are a research, product development, and marketing organization which has extensive knowledge in the designing and marketing electronic training products for the canine equine industry. It is our intent to offer the latest in these products, wherein our customers will enhance their training performance, improve their relationship with their animals, and provide easier, safer methods to train their animals. Each and every product that we design, the animal comes first. Thank you.
Here are some other uses for the walker.